The strategy is simple. Use these new 10-spot Keno numbers to change the Keno machine algorithm. Watch the end of this video for the best set of 2024 AI Keno numbers. Subscribe to keep up with the latest AI Keno strategies. Let's put this strategy to the test and see how we do at the first bonus round. The bet is 5, the coin is 5. Come on, Cleo, let's get going. Cool, 4 out of 10. Write this 10 spot down. Note, the upper left and lower quadrants are used. The upper left of the Keno card is our favorite. Leave a comment below if it's your favorite. Okay, here comes last play. 4 out of 10, we'll take it. 20 credits. Hey, what's going on? Yes, a 7 out of 10 got us into the bonus for a total of 195 credits. All right, let's go on to the next bonus round and see if we can get more AI Keno numbers to help us. In late 2021, I asked Google Bard AI to give me the top 5 Keno numbers that come up more often during Keno play. The answer was the most commonly drawn Keno numbers are 1, 4, 23, 34, and 72. Follow those numbers in the next bonus round and let's see how we do. Max bet is 10 and the coin is 5. Cool. 4 out of 10. Another 4 out of 10. Cool. Yes. 5 out of 10. Let's get more of that. 6 plays to go. Play these Keno numbers at your next casino visit. Comment below on how you're doing. 4 out of 10. Cool. Another 4 out of 10. Cool. And the last play was a very cool 5 out of 10. $200 credits for the bonus, and of course, did you see the AI Keno numbers? Subscribe for more free Keno numbers and be a winner at Keno. Okay, onward to the next 10 spot. We play a lot of 5-spot Keno, and often we'll put 2 of our best 5 spots together and create a winning 10 spot. Subscribe and join the YouTube AI Keno community and put your lucky Keno numbers with these AI Keno numbers. Okay, let's take a look at this strategy. Okay, bet is 10, coin is 5. Make a note of the Keno number grouping and the placement of Keno numbers. Okay, 4 out of 10 to start, yeah. Yes, 6 out of 10 for 100 credits. There you go, another 6 out of 10. Here we go, last play. $220 for the bonus. Finished with a 5 out of 10 and 250 credits. Comment below when you use the AI Keno numbers with your lucky Keno numbers. Okay, more live casino play with a new tight grouping 10 spot. Interesting. Let's go check this out. Listen up. These next 10 spot Keno numbers are winners. Use them for your next Keno jackpot. Check it out. This Keno grouping is often referred to as a G6 airplane and often very lucky. Subscribe for more Keno numbers and tips. Let's follow these Keno numbers into the next bonus round. Max bet is 10, coin is 5. Notice the G6 placement of the Keno numbers. When you win a jackpot, be sure and leave a comment below. Yes. Yes, just like that, a 7 out of 10. Write these Keno numbers down. Okay, 5 out of 10, cool. And a 4 out of 10 to finish. Here comes the last play. Wow, a 4 out of 10 got us into the bonus. Cool. 780 credits for the bonus. Okay, these are the hot 10 spot Keno numbers for 2024. Don't miss out. Take these Keno numbers to your next casino visit and win a jackpot. Beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.